Welcome back to the office. How did you feel after your last visit?
I felt great, good. Just still a lot of like pain and tension here in my neck. Not so much like I think I said to you before, it would radiate down into my shoulder a little bit. I don't feel that quite as bad anymore.
Okay.
So there was a good improvement, but definitely glad that we set up this second because I think it was needed for me to come back in.
All right, very good. When was that last one that we did? That was last week on Monday. So it was a week ago on Monday, and originally you came in on that Monday because there was a tubing accident.
Correct. Yes.
What was the tubing accident like? Describe it again.
So we were sitting on the tube. It was one of those sit-up tubes, and the guy we were behind a jet ski, and he took the corner really fast, and you have to hold on like this, and the guy I was on with, both of us went off the side of the tube and just hit water like concrete. I mean, so I'm sure it was like a skipping stone like across the water. But anyway, I could feel it instantly, like in this region from my chin down to my chest area. I wasn't quite sure what happened, but when I went to push myself back up onto the tube, I couldn't do it. And then I had immediately swelling, and then come to find out a couple days later, I had broken my collarbone.
Okay. Okay, so after the first visit, what would you say that your improvement was? Was it like 25, 50, 75%?
I'd say 75%.
75% after one adjustment. Okay,
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah.
And so let's check out your spine. Let's see what's going on in there today. We'll see if we can get you that other 25% and get you fully resolved.
Good.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, let's see what your spine says. Lay down on your belly here,
Okay.
face down. All right, Shannon, let me lower this down just a little bit. Good. Let's see. Let everything just sink in here. Tender here? Okay.
Yep.
So let's just kind of come down. We'll walk down the spine, and we'll find where you're stuck at. How's this? Is this tender?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
More tenderness in through here. Okay, which one's worse, here or here? Top or bottom?
Bottom.
Bottom. Okay. Left or right?
I don't know.
Or equal?
Equal.
Okay, right or left? Which one?
Right.
Okay. Alright, so I'm going to put this block underneath of your hips here.
Okay.
And down. And the left hip up and down. Good. Okay, so the blocks evened you out perfectly.
Oh, okay.
Now everything's nice and even. So let's use the instrument here just a little bit to help kind of loosen this up. Okay, is there any pain in your collarbone in your chest when I push down here like this?
No.
Okay, good.
Well, that cracked fell already.
Yeah, it's already starting to move. That's good. You're feeling much better than it was last week, and I would expect the rest of your improvement here to proceed after this adjustment as well. So we're going to start with this one right here, and what you're going to do, Shannon, is take a nice soft breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Go loosey-goosey here. One more breath in and out. Good, let it go, let your shoulders relax. Let them down just a little bit more. Deep breath in here, far as you can go. And out. Okay. Okay, one more breath in and out. Perfect. remove the blocks now.
Okay.
Okay, lay on your side now. This side up. Face me over here.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna pop this up like that.
Always forget.
Bottom leg is straight. We're gonna bend the top leg. I'll scoot you forward here just a little bit. This one forward too, just a little bit. Okay. So nice and loosey goosey with your shoulders relax. Take a soft breath into your nose, mouth through your mouth. Good. Lay your back. Okay, go to the other side now. Okay, turn your head so you're facing straight that way. Nice and gentle here. Take a soft breath in and out. Good. Lay on your back. All right. Let's see here. Do we have any tenderness there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
Both sides.
Mm-hmm.
Let's check this one here. Okay, left or right here. Any tenderness?
No, no tenderness.
Is this tender here?
Little bit, yeah.
Any tenderness here, left or right?
Mild,
On which side?
both.
All right. A couple things to adjust here. We're going to start with this one right here in the middle,
Okay.
on the left. All right. Nice and gentle, Shannon. Just kind of let your shoulders relax and sink in. And let it all go here. We're just going to very gently give this a little push to this side.
Oops. Sorry. Sorry about that.
What was the song? What was that?
What?
What song was that?
Gwen Stefani, why did you make me like you? Sorry. Wait. Okay.
You're good. That's perfect. Now let yourself relax again. Just kind of sink in. Let your head go. Completely relax. We'll give this a gentle little push here. Let it go. Let your head go. Drop in.
Ooh, that was a good one. Oh, that was a really good one. Mm. That always seems to be the spot in my neck, right where you push, right up in there.
I know where to push.
Yeah, you do.
All right. So we're going to do one more adjustment here. I'm
Okay.
just going to lift your head nice and gentle. Just kind of like let it go. And I'm just going to give it a stretch in that direction, okay? Okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Just breathe in and out. Good. Nice and gentle. Just let it all go. How's your jaw?
Good. It's fine today. Every now and then I will have, like, where it feels like it locks up.
Let me see. Open your jaw. Close. Open. Close. Open slowly. There
Okay.
you go. Okay. Open again. Okay. Close. All right. I'm going to adjust your jaw, okay?
Okay.
So we'll just bring your head over to the side. Let your shoulders relax. Let your head relax. Open your mouth slightly. Good. Just kind of sink in here. Good. Just like that. Let it all go. Let your neck go. Let your shoulders go. Let it go. Okay, now don't take this the wrong way, Shannon, but after you get your jaw set, it's a good idea to keep your mouth shut.
Okay.
Shh, keep it shut. Don't smile. I'm just kidding.
It's impossible for me.
motion, okay, Shannon?
Mm-hmm.
Nice and gentle. Let it go. Okay, squeeze my hand in between your knees. Did your pubic bone just crack? Right in the center?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So that's a pubic bone adjustment. Go ahead and relax here. Alright, so let's just check the clavicle here. Any tenderness here?
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Any pain?
No.
Okay, that's good. That means your fracture is healed. Did they tell you it was a hairline fracture?
Yeah. Yeah, it wasn't displaced and it was hairline.
Alright, so what we're going to do here is bring your chin to your chest and kind of lean forward a little bit, Shannon. I'm going to reach around the front and hold on to your elbow. And just let this hand relax and just kind of come straight down like this. Nice and loosey-goosey here. Good, relax. Okay, look straight ahead. Let this shoulder relax here. One more time. Let it go. Let that relax. Okay, so bring your chin to your chest. Lean forward. And just let this shoulder relax, loosey-goosey here. Up.
I heard that.
Okay, relax here. All right, one more thing. Lay on your back.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and let this foot go down flat. Huh. Very good. Okay, Shannon, how do you feel?
I feel great, a lot better. Yeah. Feels like that definite second visit was really good. So.
Good. Let me see. Go ahead and look up to the ceiling. Do you have any pain in your shoulder and neck there when you do that?
Yeah, I do.
Where is it?
It's right here.
Okay, both sides?
Yep.
Okay, that's where we just identified those trigger points in your trap.
Okay.
So, so some trigger point therapy would be good, but over the next couple of hours, the adjustment will help decrease the tension in those muscles as well. So that'll feel different, and we can take the next step with some soft tissue care and another adjustment as well. But go like this: turn your head to the left. And how does that feel?
It feels good.
And to the right? Any pain there?
There's some in that specific spot that I told you.
Okay.
When I go to my right, so I think the right side's worse than the left, but.
Bring your chin down to your chest. And any pain there?
No.
Okay. Alright, so when you have pain in extension like this,
Mm-hmm.
sometimes that indicates more that it's coming from the spine. Versus if you come down like this, that means the source of the pain is coming more from the muscles.
Okay.
So just based on what I'm seeing here, while you do have trigger points in your traps, there is some lumps there. We can work those knots out, but ultimately, that what's triggering the pain in that extension when you look up is coming from the spine.
Okay.
So let's do another follow-up,
Okay.
and then we'll go from there.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very
You're
much.
awesome.